Your South Florida will and trust attorney can tell you that having a will in place is better than no protection at all. But your estate plan is not complete without a trust and other products that will truly protect your family. Here are some of the components of a foundational estate plan. Revocable Living Trust. This instrument contains in-depth instructions for your care if you become mentally disabled and for the care of your loved ones upon your death. Furthermore, your South Florida trust attorney will explain how the trust efficiently transfers your property to your loved ones at the time of your death, avoiding probate and allowing for the maximum utilization of estate tax exemptions. Pour-over will. Upon your death, your pour-over will leaves any property to your living trust that you did not put into before your death. It functions as a safety net, so your South Florida trust attorney can make sure that any property you neglected to place in your trust can ultimately be managed by your trustee pursuant to your instructions. Durable power of attorney. A durable power of attorney allows someone else to handle financial matters for assets in your individual name, particularly retirement plans. It is also used by your Florida trust attorney to put assets in your trust if you become mentally disabled prior to your trust becoming fully funded. Living will. This instrument directs your physician as to whether or not to cease life-sustaining procedures which would serve only to prolong your death if you are terminally ill. It gives guidelines for your physician to follow, as well as clarifies your intent as to life-sustaining procedures. Healthcare surrogate or healthcare power of attorney. This instrument designates a healthcare surrogate or healthcare power of attorney if you are incapable of making healthcare decisions or providing informed consent. Assignment of property into trust. Your trust attorney uses this instrument to place your personal property, including furniture, jewelry, and etc., into your trust, thus avoiding the need to probate your personal property. Funding. Most assets will need to be retitled into the trust to make the trust effective for disability planning and to avoid probate. Funding a trust is just as important as creating the trust. Your South Florida trust attorney will aid you in funding that trust. Contact your South Florida trust attorney today for a free consultation. Contact Wild Lease and Pardo at 954-944-2855. Let us protect what you value most. Don't leave your family with an enormous tax burden to bear. Comprehensive estate planning can limit or eliminate the taxes your loved ones will be asked to pay when you are gone.